Fishing in the Rain, adapted by Catherine Follett, illustrated by David Cockcroft. The Harpers had 1 week left before school began. They were supposed to go camping with Grandpa Grizzly, but it rained and rained. "Come on, Hoppers, we'll go camping, rain or shine," said Grandpa Grizzly. "Won't the tent get wet?" asked Floppy Ears. "We want to be able to build a campfire," said Speedy Legs. "Our hot dogs and marshmallow will get soggy," said Fluffy Tail. "Camping isn't any fun in the rain," sniffed Snuffy Nose. "But fish always bite when it rains," said Grandpa Grizzly. He pulled out 4 new fishing poles for the Hoppers. "We'll go fishing," cried the Hopper. "Thank you, Grandpa Grizzly." The 4 Hoppers carried their pole into the woods. Grandpa Grizzly set up his big tent. Inside, it was dry and comfortable, but the Hopper didn't mind the rain. They sat on the banks of the river and fished. Grandpa Grizzly said, "You must be very quiet so you don't scare the fish." Then Speedy Legs began to sneeze. He sneezed so loudly that not a fish would bite. Then Floppy Ears began to catch. She caught so much that the fish all swam away. "I think we haven't been in the rain too long," said Grandpa Grizzly. "We should go in the tent before you all catch colds." "But I want to fish some more," said Snuffy Nose. "You can cast one more time," said Grandpa Grizzly. Snuffy Nose cast as far as he could, but he cast so hard that he fell right in the water. "Help me!" cried Snuffy Nose. "I can't swim." Grandpa Grizzly jumped into the river and pulled Snuffy Nose up. Then he carried Snuffy Nose to shore and wrapped a towel around him. "Oh no, my fishing pole is still in the water," cried Snuffy Nose. Grandpa Grizzly leaped bravely back into the chilly river. He found Snuffy Nose's pole on the muddy bottom. Then he handed it to Snuffy Nose before getting out of the water. "My hook is caught on something," said Snuffy Nose. "Something is pulling on the line," said Speedy Legs. "It's wriggling around," said Fluffy Tail. "It's bending your pole," said Floppy Ears. "You've caught a fish, Snuffy Nose," said Grandpa Grizzly. "Reel it in." Snuffy Nose pulled on the pole and reeled the line in. The fish was so strong, all the Hoppers had to help him pull. Finally, they caught the biggest fish they had ever seen. "Let's go into our tent and have a fish dinner," said Grandpa Grizzly. All the Hoppers went into the tent, dried off, and ate a fresh fish dinner. They went camping and fished for 5 days, and Grandpa Grizzly was the only one who caught a cold.
Good job!